Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Gita Agustina. So in this video I'm going to review an undergraduate thesis. The title is Correlation Between Learning Environment and English Learning Motivation at the 11th grade students of MAN 1 Padang Sidimpuan, written by Syafriani Lubis, NIM 20203005. So this video will include a brief summary and my critical review based on the required component by Memdani. So this research investigate whether the learning environment has a relationship with student motivation to learn English at the 11th grade of MAN 1 Padang Sidimpuan. The researcher used a quantitative correlational designs. The population consists of 427 students and 23 students were selected as the sample through random sampling. So, the data were collected using two questionnaires, the learning environment questionnaires as variable X and the English learning motivation questionnaires as variable Y. So, the findings show that the learning environment is categorized as very good, while the student's motivation is the good category. The statistical result also indicates a significant correlation between both variables. So let's move review of the research title. So I think, in my opinion, the thesis title is clear and easy to understand. The variables are specific and directly show that the study aims to examine the relationship between the learning environment and English learning motivations. However, the title could be slightly more concise. It might be improved by specifying which aspects of the learning environment are being examined. Overall, though the title is appropriate and researchable. Okay, let's move to the introduction and problem statement. So in the introduction, the researcher explained the importance of motivation in learning English and present several theories as foundations. There is also some preliminary observations showing real problems at the school, such as students feeling bored or having low motivation. But in my opinion, the introduction is too long and some parts feel repetitive. The research gap is not clearly highlighted, although the author presents the problem is not strongly connected to what previous studies lack. So this section is informative but needs to be more focused on clearly structured. Let's move to the literature review. So in the literature review is very detailed discussions, theories about motivations, types of motivation and learning environment and factors influencing motivation. So the strength of this section is that is used well-known theories and covers many aspects. But the weakness, however, is that it becomes overly descriptive. There are many definitions that don't need to be explained at length. The connection between the literature review and the actual research is also not clearly emphasized. The theory should have been linked more directly to the variables examined. Let's move to the methodology. So I think the methodology uses a the methodology use a correlational design, which is appropriate for examine the relationship between variables. The instrument and the statistical techniques such as Pearson correlations and the test are also suitable. But there is a major issue. The sample size is very small. Only 23 students were taken from a population of 427, which makes the finding difficult to generalize. So the explanation of validity and reliability is also quite brief. The researcher doesn't discuss sample items or the theoretical basis for constructing the questionnaires. Overall, the methodology is appropriate in design but needs stronger justification and more detailed explanations. Okay, let's move to the finding and discussions. So in finding sections, the data are clearly presented in tables. The researchers show that there is a significant correlation between the learning environment and students' motivation to learn English, and the statistical interpretation is correct. However, the discussion is too short, in my opinion. It explains the numbers but doesn't provide deeper interpretation, such as why the learning environments influence motivation or which aspect or more influencer. There is also no comparison with previous studies, even though the literature review is quite long. So, in conclusion, in my opinion, this thesis successfully answers its research question and show a significant relationship between the learning environments and English learning motivation. The overall method is suitable, but several parts, especially the literature review, methodology, and discussion, could be improved to make the thesis more focused and analytical. But the research still contributes useful insights into factors and influence students' motivation to learn English. So I think that's enough from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.